Dino, why is this word so long?
That's the famous word supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
I can't even read it.
Don't worry. Let's learn it step by step. Breaking big words into parts makes them easier. Repeat after me. Super.
Super.
Cali.
Cali.
Fragilistic.
Fragilistic.
Expiali.
Expialidocious.
Docious.
Docious.
Now say it's supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
No, not yet. Try it one more time, but slowly.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. I actually said it.
Yes, now you have said it. This word means something extremely wonderful or amazing. For example, the magic show was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That show was amazing.
Learning big words can be fun.
And sometimes supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Subscribe to ABCWordzilla for more amazing words.
Subscribe ABCWordzilla channel for more words.